Hi there, I'm Sydney Brown. I am the Memoir Mastermind, and today we're going to talk about anthology books and why you might want to participate in one. So first we're going to start talking about what it is, and then we're going to go over the 10 benefits of participating, and then we're going to go over 10 tips for participating. Now, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you would, to keep all of this content free, I would appreciate it if you would like the videos, comment in the videos, tell me what you liked about them, what you might want to see in other videos, and I will do my best to keep this all free content for you. All right, here we go.